Hello students, welcome again. Today's video regarding classification of product based on use, quality and longevity. Job role, store operation assistant. Unit 3, goods management in retail. So let's start. Myself Amit Mondal from Mondalpuli Netaji Vidyapith as a vocational trainer. Today we are going to discuss classification of product. So first of all, let's see a diagram of product classification. In this diagram we can see the product classification of product means type of product. One is consumer goods, another is industrial goods, the type of consumer goods and the type of industrial goods also, and few other types of retail goods like durable goods, semi-durable goods and non-durable goods. This video we will discuss all the topic, all the goods types one by one. So let's start. So students, as we discuss what is product, as you all know that product is a tangible property which have certain weight, quality, price as a called product. Fine. Now product has two types, like consumer goods or consumer product or industrial goods or product. What is consumer goods and what is industrial goods? We came one by one. First of all, we discuss what is consumer goods. Consumer goods are those kinds of goods which customer bought for consumption. That's called a consumer goods. Now consumer goods we can divide in four parts. First, convenience goods. Second one, shopping consumer goods. Third one, specialty goods. And fourth one, unserved goods. What is convenience goods? Convenience goods are those kinds of goods which are bought by the customer frequently or immediately with minimum effort. Means these kinds of product you will get your market available, easily available in your market. That means no need to extra effort to get this, like FMCG product, like fast moving consumer goods, sugar, rice, milk, bread, these are convenience goods. Now consumer goods has also two parts. One is staple convenience goods and another is impulse convenience good. What is staple convenience goods? Staple convenience goods basically meets the human basic needs like rice, sugar, tea, potato, etc. Means which we are used in a daily basis. Now what is impulse convenience goods? Impulse convenience goods are those goods which customer buys or bought without any decision or instantly. When they buy or bought any product, that means consumer don't have any prior decision, they bought instantly. That calls impulse convenience goods like ice cream, cold drinks, chocolates, etc. Now comes the second type of consumer goods is shopping consumer goods. What is shopping consumer goods? Shopping consumer goods is those kinds of products which are customer bought frequently or with careful decision on the basis of price, quality, style, called shopping consumer goods, like clothing, like furniture, car, etc. Now specialty product or specialty consumer goods. Third type of consumer goods is specialty consumer goods. Specialty consumer goods is an characteristics is the characteristics of specialty consumer goods is brand identification and uniqueness in characters, known as special consumer goods. Generally, these types of product bought by the high net worth individual, HNI customer, like Mercedes, 3D television, sofa sets, etc. Now the fourth types of consumer goods is unsought goods. What is unsought goods? Unsought goods is those kinds of goods most of the customer don't know regarding the product, don't know about the product. Even if know, they don't want to buy this, like life insurance product, blood donation, etc. Now we are going to discuss what is the industrial goods and its types. Industrial goods are those goods which are purchased by the customer to further process or make another product, called industrial goods. Industrial goods are made by the raw materials. Here are some types of industrial goods. We will discuss one by one. First, farm goods. What is farm goods? Farm goods are product which is produced in farms or agriculture and supply as a raw materials to different organizations, called farm products or farm goods, like wheat, cotton, vegetable, fruits, etc. Now the second types of industrial goods is natural goods. Natural goods is a types of goods which is God gifted or gift of nature. It's called nature goods, like crude oil, fish, iron, etc. Now the third type of industrial goods is manufactured products. Manufactured product, the product which have been manufactured but still are used as a product for further industrial use, calls manufactured products, like pig iron is converted to steel and is used for bars. Now fourth one is the suppliers. Suppliers is any short-term operations or materials which is necessary for the any day-to-day operations of the business is called suppliers, like lubricants, coal, typing paper, etc. And the final one is industrial goods is service. See, the service is a intangible one because their activities, benefits, satisfaction is offered to sale. It's called services, like hotel rooms, any service industries, etc. Now we are going to discuss some another types of retail goods, like durable goods, semi-durable goods and non-durable goods. What is durable goods? Durable goods are those goods which are durable in nature. जो कहता है ना, जो ज़्यादा दिन टिकता है, इट्स कॉल्ड ड्यूरेबल गुड्स, लाइक रेफ्रिजरेटर, टेलीविजन्स, कंप्यूटर, एटसेट्रा. What is semi-durable goods? Semi-durable goods has limited lifetime, like shoes, artificial gold, etc. And what is non-durable goods? Non-durable goods has lifetimes is too short. It's used the customer daily basis, like milk, vegetable, bread, etc. So student, today we discuss what is product. Already we discussed what is product, what is the classification of product, two types of product, consumer goods and industrial goods, other types of consumer goods, convenience goods, shopping goods, specialty goods, and unsold goods. These 4 types is the consumer goods. And industrial goods are 4 types, like farm products, nature products, manufacturer products, supplies, service. Thank you for today.